Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Josie.
Hey, go! Get out of the way! Hey! Ah!
Have a look. Let's have a look. Show me. You see this foot? You've hurt it, haven't you?
Hey. No.
Daisy, are you coming home? Come on, down. Get down, I'm going home. Daisy. Daisy, come on, we're going home.
Hello. A Bibi confusão aí, ó. Olha que tá arrumando. O limpador do para-brisa. Olha.
Ela foi, vai! Vai!
There you go. So left. Wrench. There you go. There? Yeah, there you go. Hi, mama. Nigga. Now you really, girl, let go. Ooh, you bit my ass.
Yes. Cover your, no, okay. Don't cover your head. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. Night night.
Yeah. Look at you, bro. You ugly as the fuck. I said, y'all. Get your list.
Big stretch, Buzz.
What? You want to open one of your presents early? You want to open one early? Yeah. You want to open one early?
¿A dónde vamos, Eduardo? Vamos, vamos. El perrito se fue de casa.
Stella. Hey, Chris, are you taking a nap? Hi. Do you love the couch?
So how does this work? Do I call LA or do they call me?
What am I going to do with you? Unreal. Yeah, nobody can see your camouflage, buddy.
This cunt's fucking locked his truck keys inside and he's relying on Marley to open the window. Fucking hell. That's the most fucking fucked up bullshit I've ever seen.
You want to go to Grandma's? You want to go to Grandma's? You want to go to Grandma's?
You want to go to Grandma's?
Get back.
George! Oh my God!
Oi, no. You're smiling.
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
Hi, Tubbs. No.
What do you want? You want to swim? Okay. Okay. You can swim. Go ahead. You want to get in your pool? Go ahead. Let me take the chlorine thing out.
You just chilling out, or what's going on, man? What's up?
Pero yo tengo que cocinar ahora, no vamos a la cama todavía. Sí. No vamos a la cama todavía. No te puedes.
You know what? This is the best day of your life, and I'm just going to let you continue to have it.
No more question because I'm a little mad and I'm tired. Thank you.
You have 800 followers on TikTok. How do you feel about that? You say thank you? Yeah, say thank you, everyone.
It's whack-a-doodle time. It is whack-a-doodle time.
Oh boy.
The dog stole Kane's paddle. And you can hear the kid in the background screaming, "Give me my paddle."
Dove sei andato stamattina? Da Kira. Vero, amore? Allora, e come hai detto?
Asa na to? Oh.
Buzz?
Here we go. I hope you're hungry for nothing.
We taught Noah to run away, otherwise he's gonna get knocked over. Oh no, he's down.
Steve-O, what did you do?
Lily, get down. Get down. Get down, Lily. Good girl. Get down. Down. No, oh my God. Quit ignoring me. Get down, Lily.
Buddy, on Mama's shoe.
¿Es en serio? ¿Es en serio lo que yo estoy viendo? Ahora con mi chichero. No, esto ya se colmo. No, 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 señor, dame eso. Ven acá. Oye, malcriado. Good morning. Hi. Hi.
Hands up.
Where's Winston? Where's Winston? I wonder where Winston is.
Okay. Molly!
This family makes me.
倒挂警報。
Oh shit. Louie. Puppies. Puppies. Puppies.
Can I show them your favorite toy, please? Yeah, he's not gonna let me show y'all, but.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back.
You want to get a cheeseburglar?
Come on, King. Come on, King.
Sold over 50 million of these babies, and for a good reason.
What you got in there is good to eat. You got any biscuits for sale in there? Reckon what you like.
Dale una púa de Cora and one for Ruby. Oh my God.
Good girl. Go up the side. Go.
What's that gonna get you?
It probably didn't even get it.
you serious? Are you serious?
Well, I'm surprised you don't have anything to say about my glasses. You usually don't like things like this. Did he just make fun of me?
Boy, cat.
You asked for it.
Can you give Boo Boo a big hug? Oh, so sweet.
Keeps looking at you. I'm the only person who exists. I'm not that old.
You can't just expect to eat all day. And hey, look at me while I'm talking to you.
Stop! Stop!
Good job. Okay, what do you want? Tell me.
Aria.
Buster, ¿estás preparado para un blindaje? ¿Estás preparado? ¡Corre, corre, corre, corre! Up on the dock.
Benny is over here. Benny.
Up here, up here, up here. Up here. Up here. Hindi ka marunong up here.
You know? What did you do? Brady? Were you on the couch?
Excuse me? What did you do? Spanky. Leo!
Eso, me voy a llevar un pan. Con permiso, muchas gracias. Hasta luego. Sigo participando y llevando nuevos panes.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.